Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the I can't say it now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the products that I use throughout my skincare. These are products that I've either been using for a while or that I just recently started using. I have a bunch of other products, but these are the most recent products that have been working for me. As you can see in old videos, in the intro when I would talk with no makeup on, I would have either a big zit or a big mark or something just going on with my skin, and it's finally starting to clear up. I don't really have any big zits on my face. My acne scarring is going away. This is the first time I've seen my skin clearing up in years. It's a miracle. So I wanted to share with you guys my tips and tricks and the products that I've been using. So I just want to point out to you guys, I don't have any foundation or powder on my face. The only thing I have is highlight and then my mascara and my eyebrows done. For moisturizer, I like to use the Garnier Skin Active Hydrating Moisturizer. So this is a 3-in-1 moisturizer. You can use it in the day, in the night, or even as a mask. I recently just stole this from my mom. Well, I did a trade with her for one lotion that wasn't working for me. But this has been working really, really great for my oily skin. It's kind of combo. I have dry spots. Well, I used to have dry spots and it's very oily. But this has been working so well, especially in the dry winter months. So I highly recommend that. So at the end of the night in the shower, when I'm washing my face to first remove my makeup, I like to go in with 2 different makeup removers. Depends if I have a light makeup day or I'm wearing a lot of heavy makeup on my face. If I'm wearing light makeup, I like to go in with the Philosophy Purity One Step Cleanser. This is very nice and it's very gentle and it removes everything off my light makeup face. I did purchase this during the holidays at Sephora and it was $15 for this 12 fluid ounce container, and it says it's a $36 value. And if I'm wearing a lot of heavy makeup, I like to go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This stuff is amazing. This is actually my second tub, and I take a nice big, like quarter size, depending how much makeup I'm wearing, and it literally just melted off. It doesn't leave like a greasy feeling on my face, which I really like, and I don't feel like it clogs my pores. After removing my makeup, I like to go in with an acne cleanser. What I like to use, which I discovered on Twitter from someone, I apologize, I don't remember who it was, but they recommended the Dr. Boner's Pure Cast Style soap, and this has been an absolute life and game changer for me and my fiance. I would get obviously a lot of breakouts, and I started using this, I would say, less than a month, and I saw results quickly. And it's not even just for your face. There's so many different things that you can use it for. This is just a small list that it has on here. You can use it to wash your hands, face, body. You can use it as a shampoo. You can use it to hand wash dishes, for laundry, to mop your floor, to wash your dog. You can use it to remove residue from fruit and veggies, all-purpose cleaner. It's also, you can spray your plants with it to remove bugs, and you can shave face, underarm, and legs with this. This is just amazing. This big bottle, which is 32 fluid ounce, you can purchase it for $15. I found it in Whole Foods, but you can also purchase this on Amazon, and they do have different scents, but this one I just love the tingling peppermint feeling. Again, I use this on my body. I've had problems with acne on my back, and this has cleared it up so well, so I do recommend this. And this, like I said, I've been using it for less than a month, and it's me and my fiance, and this is how much we've used so far. To exfoliate my skin, I've been using the Dr. Brandt's Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. This I actually got a couple months ago from Boxycharm, and it's lasted me pretty long. I think I do need to purchase a new one now, but I do use this 1 to 2 times a week, and I feel like it really just exfoliates the crap out of my face, and I just really work into it. I like the lemon scent that it has to it. It gives me a nice clean feeling to my face, and it leaves my face really soft, and it just digs out all the pores. It says here it renews skin radiance, polishes and smooth, helps diminish the look of fine lines, which I absolutely love, so I really do recommend this. For cleanser, I use this is a brand that actually my mom got from me from a spa. So not honestly sure where you can purchase it, but if I do find somewhere you can, I will link it down below for you, or I will say where you can purchase it. This is the Clore Paris, if that's even the brand, Aroma Cleanse. It's pretty much in a different language, but it does say it's an essential cleansing milk with neroli essential oil. I have no idea what that is, and it's for all skin types, and I will show you the back. It literally is in a different language, but it says here it has essential oil of neroli, plant oil of sweet almonds, and essential water of green tea. This again makes my face so soft, and it smells really, really good as well. It's just it smells so good, and it makes me feel so bougie. I don't know why, but that's the type of cleanser that I use. I do want to throw this in there because I don't typically use it. I do throw it into my skincare routine if I feel like I need that extra step and I'm struggling with my skincare. I use the Badescu Acne Facial Cleanser. It's for combination and oily skin, which is what I have. And this was actually pretty affordable. You can get it at Ulta. I'm not sure if you can get it at Walmart, but I think Sephora carries Badescu as well. And it says here it exfoliates dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to breakouts with the power of salicylic acid. I'm probably saying that word wrong. Our cleanser was specifically formulated to effectively target oily, troubled skin. It has gentle ingredients including aloe vera, chamomile, and thyme extract. Helps improve the look and feel of skin, while hyaluronic acid provides natural hydration. I probably said a bunch of words there wrong, but this is really, really good, and I highly recommend this one as well. So if I come out the shower and I notice that I still have mascara running down my eyes, I take either a wipe or a makeup remover cleanser. The two that I use is the Bioderma Sensible H2O Makeup Removing Micelle Solution. This, it's almost gone, but I've had this for a couple years and it's lasted me a really long time. I get this from, I forgot the website, but I will link Beautylish. I do get this from Beautylish, so I will link it down below, and I really like this. It's very gentle and soft on my skin, and it removes any residue of makeup that I have on my face. What I also like about this is that it has like a little squeezy pump here, so you just take any cotton pads that you have. This, I use these I get very affordable, this whole pack of 2, which are big oval ones from Primark, and I just squeeze it on top and it cleans my face very easily. And then for makeup wipes, I like to use the Equate Beauty makeup remover. These are compared to the Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing wipes. I find them very, very good. They're a little bit more cheaper, and I get these at Walmart, usually in packs of 2, and they just work really, really well for me at removing any residue of makeup that I have on my face. So once or twice a week, I do a face mask. What I've really been using lately, especially around my problem areas of my T-zone, I use the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. If you recall, when I did a Sephora haul a couple months back, it's one of my old videos, I got this during the Sephora VIB sale. That's when it was. I got this and I've been using it ever since, and that's how much I've been using, so I probably will need to restock soon. And when I apply this, I go in with the Morphe MB9 brush. I just had it laying around, and it's very good for easy application and cleaning. I don't have to use my hands, and it's flat, synthetic, very easy to clean. But this, I like it because when you put it on, it has like kind of like a little painful tingling feeling, but I feel like it's doing something to my face, and it just leaves my pores so tiny and just clear, and it's amazing. Again, I use this typically once, but if I'm having big acne, which I haven't had in a while, I use it twice a week or just spot treat with it, but it's really, really good. It's pretty expensive, but I highly recommend it. A dupe for the Glam Glow is the Badescu Drying Mask. This one is kind of the same thing, does the same thing, clarify oil, problematic skin with our powerful mask, and this one's a little bit stinky though. Not a little bit, really stinky, but it does like the same kind of deal, and I recommend it. It's very affordable compared to the Glam Glow. After cleaning my skin and washing off all my makeup and doing mask, if I'm doing a mask that night, I like to go in with a toner. And my favorite toner at the moment is the Thayer's Natural Remedies Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula. This is the alcohol-free toner in rose petal. This has, again, been a life changer. It's funny because you remove all your makeup, you think you're all good, but when you go in with a toner, it digs in your pores and take out every little bit of makeup. You'll just be wiping down your face. I again use a cotton pad, and it goes into your skin and into your pores and just gets out everything. You'll be surprised how much more makeup comes off when you use a toner. I know a lot of people don't use toners, but it's really life-changing. I do recommend you use toners. It uses rose water to help soften your skin and give it a natural healthy glow. It helps to tighten pores and to smooth and beautify skin without drying. It's alcohol-free, paraben-free, a lot of other free stuff, and it's cruelty-free. I really recommend this. I think this was under $10 on Amazon. I'm not sure where else you can purchase it, but I have Amazon Prime. So another affordable toner that I use is the Formula 1006 So Totally Clean Deep Pore Cleanser. This one smells really good as well, and I can't open it right now, but it's really good. It's very affordable. I got this one from Ulta, and this one, it says it helps clear acne, pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. It helps prevent the development of new acne blemishes. So I tend to switch between this one and the Witch Hazel, Thayer's Witch Hazel one. So before going to bed, there are 3 products that I like to put on my face that work overnight. The first one is this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. This is for my under eye bags and also some wrinkles that I've been getting. It has been working really well. I've been using it for probably 2 months now, and I've seen good results with it. This is kind of the only eye treatment that I've been using because this is something that has been just happening to me, where I've been getting really dark under eyes and wrinkles under my eyes, but this has been working well. It is pretty pricey. I did get this during a sale on Ulta. I will link it down below, and I am trying to find some alternatives, well, some affordable alternatives to this, so if you guys can suggest that to me, then let me know down below. For lotion, overnight, I like to use the Body Shop Tea Tree Night Lotion. This is really good. It has purifying tea tree oil, which is really good for acne marks and acne as well. So this works overnight to prevent or kind of minimize any acne on your skin and scarring. I really recommend this. I've been using this as well for a couple weeks, and it's been working really well. I see my acne marks just going really down. This is good compared to what it was before. And as you can see on this side I really struggled with as well, and it's completely cleared up, and this is just amazing. And then the last item that I like to use is also by the Body Shop, and this is just tea tree oil. This is, well, I use this to treat acne or pimples that I see coming up. So as soon as I see it, I dab this on overnight, and when I wake up, it's either completely gone, or it's dried out, or it's half the size. This works wonders, and I highly recommend this. This is pretty expensive for the size, but you get a lot of use out of this product. I also wanted to include some tips and tricks that I have been using or doing that I've noticed has been beneficial to my skin. I have them written down here in this post-it note, so don't mind when I look down. But the first one is clean eating. I cut out a lot of junk food. We don't eat out as much. We don't buy junk food. If we don't have it in the house, we don't see it, we don't eat it, basically. So I've been cutting out dairy. I've replaced my milk with almond milk or coconut milk. The only trouble that I have is cheese, but we don't really use cheese at all anymore. So I try not to buy it, but you know, I love cheese so much, especially mozzarella. But cheese, and then also no more fast food, no more junk food, no more going out to eat, and it's better to just cook at home. And I've been eating a lot more veggies and a lot more fruits in the morning. And I haven't been drinking soda. I do get my cravings, but I just drink water and juice. I don't drink juice as well. If I feel like I need some juice, I just like to take water and squeeze in a lemon in it, and it satisfies my craving. It's like a lemonade, a very cheap lemonade. My next tip and trick is, obviously this is very, very obvious, and you've probably heard it a lot of times and see it a lot of times, is drinking water. Make sure to constantly drink water. Make sure to drink water. I cannot repeat this. Water is essential, and it's really, really good at clearing out and your skin. And ever since I started drinking water a lot more daily, I drink about 4 16-ounce bottles. I don't even know if that's enough, but that's a lot for me, and I have to like get up and pee all the time. But it has been so much better now that I don't drink any sugary drinks. It's just, I can't even explain it. Like I just wake up more refreshed and like not droggy at all. But my skin obviously starts to get clearer, and it's amazing, and I highly recommend that. The only thing that I do drink that's not water is coffee. And of course I substitute the creamers and stuff with my almond milk, and it's just as good. So that's kind of the only thing that I cheat with is my coffee. And I do drink tea as well if I feel like I need something else other than coffee. Another tip and trick is changing your bed sheets and your pillow cover very, very often or frequently, because having all your dead skin cells and everything on there is really bad for your skin. So constantly changing that, maybe once a week, once every other week, but make sure you constantly change it. It's very, very good to clearing up your skin. Next tip and trick is being stress free. So stress can cause a lot of acne problems from what I've experienced. Maybe not to everyone, but for me especially, I do tend to stress a lot and just think about negative stuff. But the way I cope with it now is I have this big agenda. I don't have it with me, it's in my purse. I always carry it around with me in my purse. And every time I think of something and I start to stress about it, I just write it down. I write everything down, that when it needs to be done by, when something needs to be done by, when it's due, how can I resolve it so I don't stress about it. And that has just been very stress relieving for me. I find writing things down and just making sure that I have my life organized, it just makes me feel more in control of my life, and I'm not as stressed. My last tip and trick is no touching your pimples. Don't pick at it, don't squeeze it, don't do nothing. Just let it be, because going in with your filthy hands is like danger. Don't do it. It's bacteria on your hands. It's gonna get on your skin and it could create more problems, and just don't do it. I used to be a huge acne picker, as you can see. That's how I got most of my acne marks. But now I try not to touch it. I don't touch it. I don't even look at it. I try not to look at myself in the mirror, because if I see it, I want to pick it. But I have to think back and like hold myself. I just wait until I get home and I can use the tea tree oil that I showed you guys, and that helps. But really try not to pick at it if you don't have to. Just don't, because it breaks your skin and bacteria. And also another tip that I just thought about is making sure your phone screen is always clean, because having your dirty fingers throughout the day touching on it while you're typing and then putting it on your face, that can cause a lot of bacteria. So make sure to have at least maybe wipes or disinfecting wipes, or just cleaning it as often as you can, and try not to put it on your face. I like to use my headphones instead, or my Bluetooth headphones, or just talk on speaker if it's not an important call. Okay guys, so that is my skincare products that I've been using, and also my tips and tricks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and also comment down and let me know some skin products that I didn't mention that you guys use that have been working for you guys, or some of the products that I mentioned that you guys are using as well, because I would like to know if it's been giving you the same results as it's been giving me, and also some tips and tricks that maybe you think would benefit me as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!